Morning, everyone. Today we are talking about 3 R's. All right. Today we are talking about 3 R's. How many R's are we talking about today? Three. One, two, three. Okay. We're talking about R1, R2, R3. Well done. We're talking about 3 R's. R. Okay. What does R number 1 stands for? R number 1 stands for recycle. R number 1 stands for recycle. All right. R number 2 stands for reuse. Okay. It stands for reuse. All right. R number 3 stands for reduce. All right. It stands for reduce. Okay. Reduce. All right. Those are 3 R's that we're going to be talking about today, okay? We're saying today, reuse, recycle, reuse, and reduce, all right? Let's start with recycle. What does it mean that you have to recycle? It means that when the garbage car comes by, you take out the trash, you take out the dirt, and you wait for the garbage car. You wait for it and you throw the garbage in the truck. All right, the garbage truck comes about and you take the trash and you throw it. So you are doing number 1. You are doing recycling. You do recycle. All right. Number 1, recycle. You wait for the garbage truck, the yellow garbage truck. You wait for it by the gate and it comes about and you throw your trash in. All right. Let's look at what trash can you throw on your garbage truck. Okay. These you can throw on the garbage truck because you are reusing this. You are recycling this. You take it away for recycling. A body bottle of Coke, a body bottle of Fanta or whatever that you were drinking, you can also put it in the trash and throw it away because you are recycling it. You are throwing it in the yellow truck which collects the garbage, which collects the bin. All right. And we're saying that is recycle. All right. So you know what recycle is. Let's correct it. That's recycle. Okay. Let's come to reuse. Now, when you are reusing something, you do not throw it away. All right. You take it, reuse. You take this, you open it, okay? You clean it. You take your water, you clean it. And then next time when you are hungry, you want to dish up, you take this thing, this bowl, you dish the food up and you eat again. You eat, all right? That is reusing. So you are using it again. You are not throwing it again. You are using it again, all right? You are using it again. And we call that reuse, okay? We call that reuse, okay? The second R, which is reuse. Let's mark the second R. So we've got recycle, and then we're saying reuse, okay? The reuse one. So what do we do? We mark the reuse. Why are we marking the reuse? Because you understand what reuse means. It means that you have to use it again. So you bought it with the food, but instead of throwing it to the truck, the yellow truck, you do not throw it to the yellow truck, but you are using it again, all right? And then the last one is going to be your reduce. All right? Reduce means that you are still using it, but you're using it a little bit. Every time when you have to use it, for instance, you go, you find papers. So instead of writing one word on a paper like this, instead of writing one word on a paper, Because you are in the process of reducing, you would write everything. As I've drawn a butterfly here, you're not writing on a separate paper, but you are writing where you've drawn a butterfly. So you are reducing, you are using it a little bit. You squeeze the words next to the butterfly. You don't take another blank paper to use it, because otherwise you are wasting paper. And for nature, you do not want to waste paper. So you are reducing. All right, let's mark the reduce because you understand it. Okay, let's mark. All right. Let's look at it again. RRR. Let's all say it. RRR. RRR. Let's say it. RRR. Very good. RRR. Okay. Number 1, recycle. Very good. Recycle. Very good. Number 2, reuse. All right. Let's say it one more time. Reuse. Very good. Very good. Then number 3, the last one, reduce. Very good. What's number 3? Reduce. Well done. So you are recycling, you are reusing, you are reducing. All right. Very good. Okay. Now, please understand, in different countries, like in the United States of America, in South Africa, in another country, in Ukraine, in Russia, they use a symbol. They use a symbol like this. This symbol stands for recycling. So when you go to the shop and you buy an item and you see this symbol, it means that that item needs to be recycled. It means you cannot just throw it in the field. You need to take it to the yellow garbage truck. You are reusing the item. All right. But now, listen to me very carefully. Now, in Taiwan is different. In Taiwan, the symbol is not like this. This one is for South Africa. This one is for the United States of America. This one is for Central America, Belize, Mexico. All those countries, they use symbol like this. Sometimes it's like this. Sometimes you find it like this. It is standing like a triangle. It has 3 corners. 1, 2, 3 corners. So we call this shape a triangle shape. So it is like a triangle. All right. Now, in Taiwan, it is not like this, but you find the symbol for recycling is like this. All right. This is the symbol for recycling in Taiwan. All right. United States, South Africa, Belize, and all those countries. But Taiwan has a symbol that is different. Taiwan, South Korea, Asian countries, pretty much, they have a symbol like this. All right. Now, I'm going to show you something. You see, I said Taiwan has a symbol like this. Let's look at this. Yes, we see the symbol. I see the symbol for recycling in this bowl that I bought with the soup. Oh, the soup was really nice. When I bought the soup here, it was really nice. It had tomatoes and maize meal. Okay, let me close it properly so that it doesn't spill. Let me close it. Let me close the container. Right. All right. Now, if you look closely, all right, if you look closely, there are a lot of things that are written in the container. But when you see there is a symbol up here, it looks like the symbol I've already showed you that Recycling has a symbol. So that's the symbol. Can you see the symbol? That's the symbol for recycling. The symbol for recycling for Taiwan is like this. All right. But don't worry when you go to the other countries like United States of America or you go to South Africa, please check. Their symbol is not like this. This is the Taiwanese symbol, but you will find it's like a triangle like this. Okay. All right. We call these are symbols. All right. Symbols. This symbol, every time you see this symbol, it symbolizes recycling. It means that the item that you are buying can be recycled. The item you are buying can be recycled. Okay, back to the 3 R's. Let's wrap them and so that we remember. We are recapping now. I want you to remember this. Okay. Today we spoke about, what did we speak about today? We're speaking about 3, 2, 1. Yes, we're speaking about 3 R's, which is R, R, R. Okay, we're speaking about 3 R's today. R, R, R. 3, okay? R number 1. We said R number 1 stands for 3, 2, 1. Yes, we said it stands for recycling. Very good. We said R number 1 stands for recycle. Recycle. All right? Recycle. And we explain to recycle something, it means that you take it to the garbage car, to the garbage truck, the yellow garbage truck. You take it there and you are recycling it. Recycle means that you take your trash and you throw it in the garbage truck, in a yellow garbage truck. It's recycle. All right? And we spoke about the second R, and we said second R stands for 3, 2, 1. No one? All right. It stands for reuse. We said reuse. It stands for reuse. We are reusing. All right. And we explain that reusing, you are not throwing it away to the garbage truck. You're not letting your item be taken away by the garbage truck. But you are taking your item, you are cleaning it, and you are using it again. So if it's a bowl, you are cleaning your bowl and you dish up again. You put your food inside your bowl and you eat the food that is inside. So you are reusing. You are using it again. You use your bowl and you clean it and you dish up your food. You are reusing. And then the last one, we said there is number 3. Our number 3, we said it's 3, 2, 1. All right. You guys don't remember? It's fine, but it stands for reduce. It stands for reduce. All right. When you're reducing, you are not using it a lot. You are thinking about nature, and you said instead of drawing these in separate papers, I am going to draw it in one paper, not 2, because I am saving the paper. So what I do is I am reducing the use of the paper because I want to save the environment. I want to save a place we are staying in. I want to save the earth, because if there is a lot of paper that we use, then the earth is going to suffer. All right. So then we said this is 3 R's. R, R, R. Recycle, reuse, and lastly, reduce. We are reducing the use of this. All right. Now, there is another one that they didn't really mention on the 3 cycle. You are not reusing it. I mean, recycling it. You are using it again. You are reusing it again. Okay. This is the one. You know what's in there? Do you know what is in there? You don't know. All right, it's fine. I'll explain to you. This. What is this? Can anyone tell me what is this? No, it's not egg. It's egg shell. It's egg shell. It's the shell of an egg. So we call it egg shell. We don't call it an egg, but we call it egg shell. All right? Egg shell. Now, the egg shell, some people can decide to throw it and saying, you know what? It's an eggshell. With the eggshell, I am recycling it. I'm putting it away. But with an eggshell, you don't need to do that. If you've got plants in your house, if you planted a plant, small little plant, you can take the eggshell and you crush it. So you crush it like this. You crush it, and you put it on a plant. It gives calcium to your plant, and your plant grows very quickly. It grows very quickly when you put eggshell all around the soil of your plant. So the eggshell, you can reuse it. You can still use it. You finish eating the egg. So the egg would be inside. You're done eating your egg. And then you take the eggshell and you are reusing the eggshell. How can you reuse the eggshell? You take it and you crush it. You sprinkle it or you put it around your plant. It gives calcium for your plant to grow. So you're going to tell your parents, if they like planting, you tell them, Mama, do not throw away eggshell. We can use eggshell to let the plant grow, because eggshell has a lot of calcium, has a lot of minerals to make our plant grow. All right? Now, class, what do we call this? Egg. No, it's not an egg. What do we call this? Class, 3, 2, 1. Yes, egg shell. Egg shell. We call it an egg shell. All right. How can we use an egg shell, class? We throw it away. No, we don't throw it away. What do we use? What do we do with the eggshell? What's the use of the eggshell? Very good. You put it around the plant. You put the eggshell, you crush it first. Remember, you can't put it like this, so you have to crush it. I crush it. So you crush it and you put it all around your plant to make your plant grow. All right? That's all for today. Thank you very much for listening. All right.